flights, one from Singapore and one from London. And the total number of passengers which are coming in, there are 12 flights in a week. 12 फ्लाइट है सब मिला के, जिसमें से 7 फ्लाइट सिंगापुर से है हर हफ्ते और 5 फ्लाइट लंदन से है. एंड 250 passengers are there from London on an average on a flight, and about 150 passengers, 150 पैसेंजर है from Singapore. एंड जैसे ये उतरते हैं, उनको जब APHO के डेस्क से निकलते हैं तो उनको ले जाते हैं. वी टेक देम टू अ सेपरेट एरिया, एक होल्डिंग एरिया है, वहाँ ले जाते हैं, वहाँ सैंपल कलेक्ट करते हैं and the sample is sent for testing. Close to 70% of the passengers, 70% जो पैसेंजर जो आ रहे हैं इन कंट्री से, वो प्री रजिस्टर करके आते हैं. तो इसको उनके लिए कुछ हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो डायरेक्टली सैंपल देके निकल सकते हैं. और ये सैंपल हम जो रैपिड RT-PCR में अगर ऑप्ट करें, ऑलमोस्ट रैपिड RT-PCR if they're opting for, close to 80% of the passengers are opting for rapid RT-PCR. And results do come out in 45 minutes to 1 hour, and once they are found to be negative, they are allowed to go through the entire process. They go exit the airport, and in case there are about 20% of passengers who are going for normal RT-PCR, so the results come out in 4 hours plus, so they have to wait. And we have made our arrangements in the holding area. We team, so about 300 people can actually be waiting in the holding area, and we have organized for forex counters, we have organized for food and beverage, so all that have been organized. There's toilets, everything is there. So these people, the holding area is different from the balance part of the terminal, so there is no mixing of passengers. Only after they are cleared from the test and there is no infection, they are allowed to go. And for people who have been detected, close to 13 cases have been, there are cases है जहाँ हमने आइडेंटिफाई किए हैं, तो उनको तो स्टेट अथॉरिटीज ले जाते हैं. They are taken to Telangana Institute of Medical Sciences for further genome sequencing and all. So far we understand from the media and from the government that all the people who have been tested. डेली फ्लाइट है और लंदन से जो है 5 फ्लाइट है एक हफ्ते में, और इसमें से लंदन की जो फ्लाइट है उसमें 250 पैसेंजर आते हैं एवरेज, और सिंगापुर से जो पैसेंजर फ्लाइट आते हैं उसमें करीबन 150 पैसेंजर आ रहे हैं. करीबन 70% जो पैसेंजर आ रहे हैं वो प्री रजिस्टर करके आ रहे हैं, तो उनका खाली सैंपल कलेक्ट करना है और उसके तुरंत बाद उनका उधर वेट करते हैं जब तक उनका रिज़ल्ट आ जाता है. और करीबन 80% जो पैसेंजर है वो रैपिड RT-PCR को ले ऑप्ट कर रहे हैं. तो रैपिड RT-PCR जब हो रहा है तो उनका रिज़ल्ट 45 मिनट से 1 घंटे के अंदर आ रहा है, उनको वो रिज़ल्ट लेके वो निकल जाते हैं. और जो पैसेंजर नॉर्मल RT-PCR के लिए ऑप्ट करते हैं तो उनके जो टेस्टिंग का जो टाइम है 4 से 5 घंटा लग जाता है. और उनको हमने बैठने के लिए एक अच्छा सुविधा बनाया है, जो एक होल्डिंग एरिया है. करीबन 300 पैसेंजर वहाँ बैठ सकते हैं और हम इसे मैनेज कर रहे हैं. सर
अब तक कितने पैसेंजर उनको कंफर्म हुआ?
करीबन 13 पैसेंजर है जिसका कंफर्म हुआ है वो कंट्रीज एट रिस्क से. उसमें से उनकी पूरी जीनोम सीक्वेंसिंग हो चुकी है, हमने जो पढ़ा था सरकार ने किया बताया. तो 13 में से 13 किसी को ओमिक्रॉन का भी हुआ नहीं है हैदराबाद में. Reached out to the airline and spaced the 2 flights in such a manner that the load can be managed better. So with these measures we have been able to deal with the challenges which we have posed today through the Omicron virus. This is what I would like to place here on record.
What is the time taken for a passenger?
The airport has geared up, and as the 2 countries which are actually at higher risk category, that is basically the UK and Singapore, which is connected to Hyderabad, we have as many as 12 flights in a week which comes in. There are certain days when we have 2 flights, otherwise we only have 1 flight a day. And on an average, for the flights which are coming from Singapore, we have about 150 odd passengers. And for the flight which comes from London, we have close to 300 passengers. So that's the kind of total load we have. And we have organized ourselves in such a manner that as soon as the passengers come out of the aircraft, they are actually taken into a zone where the sample is collected for the COVID test. Passengers have an option to do a pre-registration as per the government norms, and close to 70% of the passengers coming into Hyderabad are pre-registering. And based on this pre-registration, people are testing, and there are 2 options. One is a rapid RT-PCR and one is a normal RT-PCR. The rapid RT-PCR results are generally out within 1 hour, and a passenger who's actually opting for rapid RT-PCR, and if he is one of the first to reach the counter, he generally is out of the airport before 2 hours. Within 1.5 to 2 hours, he is generally coming out. For passenger who is opting for normal RT-PCR, the time taken is around 5 hours to 6 hours, depending on the load and depending on when he reaches the counter. As we speak, there are already 2 agencies in the airport who are today providing the RT-PCR, and one of them already has a pre-registration facility because they were already operational. Yesterday onwards, we brought the second agency on board on the basically advice of the Ministry of Civil Aviation, who had given us certain parameters on how we need to further improve the passenger experience with the entire thing. We also have created a seating. Close to 300 people can be seated in the maybe the erstwhile lounge. We had a lounge there which we have converted as a seating area where we hold the passengers till the results come out. So we are very, we are prepared for that, and how we have actually been dealing. So we have actually had not challenges so far. We have been able to manage it. In addition, what was happening was there was a overlap of the flights.